Air plant, plant profile. Air plant, Tillandsia species, is a common houseplant that can be grown indoors year-round or taken outside during the warmer months. Tillandsia is in the Bromeliad family, and there are more than 650 species of them. They are native to the desert and mountain regions of the Americas, from Argentina up through the Caribbean and southernmost United States. Spanish moss is a member of this family. Of course, these plants do not actually live on air, but they do not need to be planted in soil. They hang in trees, where their curled leaves have adapted to take in moisture from the air and to trap rainwater for use during drought periods. Air plants need to be in bright, indirect light with good air circulation. To water them, submerge them in a bowl of room temperature water for a few minutes, then drain them and then place them back in their display spot. Water them weekly and mist them in between waterings as necessary. Tillandsia, you can grow that.